the inspiration for 2 hit TV series in the 1970s. He was a Marine, a detective, known as a master of disguise.
I used to pull into a driveway or a parking lot, put a disguise on as an old man, as a priest, whatever. I would try to feel the part that I'm playing and go out and do what I had to do.
And has been a motivational speaker for 6 decades, helping thousands of kids and adults stay out of trouble.
They're going to lie down on a railroad track and see who gets off the track last.
He's considered one of the greatest cops alive. His name is David Toma. Toma has been nominated twice for a Nobel Peace Prize. He is the recipient of the 4 Chaplains Award. And recently, after helping people his whole life, he was the one who needed help.
I'd be walking, and after about 5-10 minutes, I was breathing. I felt like there was something heavy on my chest. I didn't want to tell anybody. My aorta valve was closing.
His cardiologist, Dr. Bart Gregorio, and interventional cardiologist, Dr. Joseph Gregorio, told Toma he was an excellent patient for TAVR. TAVR is a minimally invasive surgical procedure called Transcatheter Aortic Valve Replacement.
I had the right doctors who have the knowledge to do what they're doing, and that's why I tell everybody, here's where you have to go. Englewood Hospital has the best.
Today, David Toma is feeling good and very thankful.
There's several hospitals in my area, but I went where I felt they were going to do something to save my life.
Toma says he thinks Englewood Hospital has the right idea.
You felt like it was a family. You felt like you wanted to go there. You go to a hospital. You want to know people care about you. People love you. For Englewood Hospital, you're doing a great job. Continue that way. To Dr. Bart and Dr. Joe, I love you. God bless you. You were there for me. And because of both of you doctors, now I'm going to save other people's lives as I have been doing. Keep doing what you're doing.